knows that's a puppy pen. That's not his pen, that's a puppy pen.
Yeah? You know he's gonna be another puppy now soon, huh?
That's the puppy's toys. You have your own toys. Your toys are in the living room. Okay? Oh.
Do you hear him?
He's crying. Okay, buddy. Yeah, I know. Those are going to be puppy toys. You have toys. I know. Your toys are in the living room. Your toys are in the living room.
He barely ever cries. It's so cute.
I know. This is what he's crying about. We set up a nice pen for a new puppy. And this is our little doggy that we have now who's going to have to get used to the idea that we're getting a new puppy. And that he has his own toys and lots of them. But he only wants the puppy toys. I know. That's going to be a tough one to accept. He can do it. He's a good job. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. You're a little sweetie, you know. Yes, you are. You're being a good boy. Yeah.